This time I'm starting off with a combi, just cause. I love combis. I got a ton of combis. Different tub that we're working from this time. So there's some odds and ends in here that I think somebody can really use to come up with something kind of cool. There's a boat build coming up, so they may want to save that for a boat build. Danny over at Danny's Diecast Disasters did one of these, quite a while back now, and everybody, most of the people were decapitated in his too, and he did a really creative job with it. So you might check out that video, get some ideas for this one. Let's see, what else do we have here? Will this fit? Yeah, I don't know if that'll fit. Might be too tall. Yeah, we'll jam it in there. That should work somehow. What else do we have? Some kind of prop thing. That could be useful. There's an old Matchbox Fire Chief. That's actually in pretty good shape. Well, we'll see if they chop it up or they just decide to keep it for their collection. Who knows? I'm not packing these things really well, so it might not survive the trip. What else do we have in here? Boy. Yeah. Trying to figure out what might be something to be created. Yeah, that could be used for something weird. Too chitty chitty bang bang. That almost looks like a transformer of some kind. Oh, I think it is. Oh, let somebody else figure that out. Let's see. What else should I throw in here? Eesh. That engine could be pretty cool, though. I don't know if that's kid paint. Yeah, it's got to be kid painted because look at the tires. They even have spots on them. Sure, what the hell. I guess that's enough castings. Let's throw a chunk of chain in there. Let's see here. Let's throw some tires in here. Some 3D printed tires. Yeah. What else? Let's see. How about some skulls? I don't think I put any skulls in the last one. I don't know what the heck that's supposed to be. A couple motorcycles. Yeah. How about some engines? Yeah, what else do we have here that we can throw in here? How about we'll throw some tanks in here, and maybe another engine. I'll stick that in there. Hopefully, well, that'll probably break. Well, we'll see how it does. Oh, I didn't throw any guns. Let's throw some resin printed guns in there and stuff. Maybe those may or may not survive the trip. That's the problem with the resin printed stuff. It may or may not survive. That's at least how I'm packing them. Some jerry cans. Yeah. Well, a couple of pipes. A couple more pipes. Yeah, what else? What else can we throw in here? Chunk of screen. Well, I don't know what else to throw in here. I think that's gonna be it. Yeah. That's kind of a bizarre collection of stuff, don't you think? Yeah, I might throw a few more guns in it before I pack it up. But I think that's gonna be it. Yeah. There's enough weird stuff in there to work with. That is for the next participant. Have fun. I did decide on a few more guns. A few more guns. What else? Oh yeah. A few more of these wheels. Some more of these little tiny wheels, just in case. And another engine. Okay, that's it. Have fun.